Hello everyone, we have an exponential equation on the board. 9 to the power of 3 to the power of 3x equals 27 to the power of 2 to the power of 3x. And obviously, we're solving for the value of x. And from here, if you notice, you have the same exponent on the top of the tower nested the exponent. Base 9 and base 27 are multiple of 3. So in that case, we're converting the base into a common base that is 3. That's the first step. So that is 9 to the power of 3 to the power of 3x equals 27 to the power of 2 to the power of 3x. Converting those bases into common base of 3. So this is now 9 could be written the same way as 3 squared, power of 3 to the power of 3x. In the right side of the equation, 27 could be written the same way as 3 to the third power raised to the second power to raised to the 3x. From here, the equation can be written the same way as 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3x equals 3 to the power of, put in parentheses, to the power of 3 multiplied by the power. That's the same level right here, so we're multiplying these two. Likewise on here, so that's the same way. So 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3x. And from here, since the base are the same, so based on the rule of exponent, where a raised to b equals a raised to c, we're equating the exponent, so therefore b is equal to c. So this applies to this. So now the left side could be written the same way as 2 times 3 raised to power of 3x, and on the right side we'll be having this as the base now since 3 is gone. That's the same way on the left, so 3 times 2 raised to the 3x. And from here we can divide the whole equation by 3 to the power of 3x or 2 to the power of 3x, either way. So in here, let's divide this by this one right here, base 3 to the power of 3x. So divide by 3 to the power of 3x, right side the same way. 3 to the power of 3x, the same as the denominator, so this one cancels, that becomes 1. So left side of the equation now is 2 times 1 equals, if you notice the right side of the equation, the numerator and the denominator, this part right here, they both have the same exponent, 3x. And so we're going to combine those. So that is now 3 times the quantity 2 over 3 to the power of 3x. So we're combining this part right here, that is from the exponent rule, that is a divided by b raised to the power m is equal to a to the m divided by b to the m. Simplify the equation further. We're dividing the whole equation now by 3. So the same thing on here. So left and right side of the equation divided by 3. So left side becomes 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3 cancels right there, becomes 1. So the right side of the equation now becomes 2 divided by 3, parenthesis, it's exponent 3x. So from here now, if you notice, left side and the right side of the equation, the base is 2/3, same way on the right. So in here, the left side is the same way written as 2/3 to the power of 1, and the right side is 2/3 to the power of 3x. So we're equating the exponent. So the same thing, comparing those, the base and their exponent. So from the earlier formula, the same way we're applying this one right here. A to the power of b equals a to the power of c. Therefore, b is equal to c. So in here, the exponent is 1, is equal to the exponent on the right side, that's 3x. So simplifying that, get the value of x. So this divided by 3 both sides. So x therefore is equal to 1/3. So that is our answer. If we were to check our answer, we substitute the value of x to the original equation. So let's find that out. From here, we're substituting the value of x to the original equation. So let's do that. So 9 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 times x is 1/3. So that's the right there. So 3 times 1/3. And the right side, 27 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 times x again. That's 1/3. So from here, we're evaluating the values of this left and right side of the equation from top going down. So we start from the top of the tower of the nested exponent from here. So we start on top. So 3 divided by 3, that becomes 1. So the left side now becomes 9 to the power of 3 to the power of 1. And the right side, that's the same way, 3 divided by 3, that becomes 1. So 27 raised to the second power, raised to the power of 1. 9 can be written the same way as 3 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 to the power of 1, or just simply 3. And the right side of the equation, converting 27 to base 3 instead. So that is now 3 to the power of 3. Since 3 cubed is 27, that is 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times by itself. That's 27. So 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. And from here, these are both exponent, same way on here. So we multiply this exponent. So this is now 3 to the power of 2 times 3 is 6, is equal to 3 to the power of 3 times 2 is 6. So that just confirms the value of x is 1/3. All right. We have just confirmed that the value of x is 1/3. So that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day, everyone. I will see you on the next videos. Bye.